What's up, YouTube? Dee J coming to you again with a new video. As you can see, I got this envelope in front of me. All right. Yesterday I couldn't get around to making a video, but I have some time on my hands today. So I just wanted to outline what's on the inside of this video, let you guys know what I've been up to. I just added another program to my portfolio of programs. As you can see right there, this came from JD Marketing, Senecaville, Ohio. And yeah, the program is called Cash Building System Unlimited. As you can see right here, JD Marketing, Cash Building System Unlimited. Focus on that. You guys can bookmark that website right there. Okay. Now I'm going to, I'm going to get back to this in a sec, but I want to show you guys what came. Okay. So discovering the #1 system that is pocketing average people $2,500 to $3,500 in cash. Wow. All right. So I already took the contents out. So I'm going to move this over here. And this is what came. Okay. This is like a welcome kit. This is what you get when you join this program. All right. The cost to join this program is only $50, guys. Wow. 50 bucks. Let me stack these on top like that. Okay. And here's a folder. Okay. This comes, it looks just like this. It'll look just like this, exactly like this. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up. We can go over this real quick. It's not gonna be a long video. Okay. Slide this over. Bam. Now you can get the full effect. Cash Building System Unlimited. All right. They welcome you in. Okay, this is a 2-phase program. Phase 1, $50 to join. You get 200 of these beautiful postcards. Okay, that's the back side of the postcard right there. You get 200 of these. Like, the company's giving you free marketing material, which is amazing. Okay, you also get 200 leads. The leads are in here in the back. Got them flipped upside down. I don't want to show people's personal information, but those are the leads right there. Okay, it's about 200 of them, maybe like 200 and some change. But yeah, let's keep reading. Okay, phase 2 upgrade form. That's the copy of a letter you can use, copy of a flyer, side programs for extra income. Shout out to Matrix Pro Leads. I'm in that one. Order form when you need more of these cards. Okay, if you run out of these postcards, there's an order form. I'm about to show you guys all of that. All right. And like it says, you're going to have to write your ID on it. Okay. Now I'm going to get to that in a sec too. I got a way around that. Okay. Just place your ID on each card. Put the leads on the card with a postcard stamp. Mail it out. Each time a person joins with your ID, you're going to get $25 commission plus 200 more free postcards and names. Let me repeat that, because this is what people got to understand. This offer, this opportunity, Cash Building System Unlimited, is giving you free marketing material every single time you get a sign up. That is unheard of. That's crazy. Okay. So let's go to the next page. All right. This is basically the phase 2 upgrade form. All right, when you want to upgrade, because you can upgrade in this program and earn more money. Okay, and you can pause the video at any time to read over this. Okay, and shout out to the owner. His name is Jay Dagan. That's his name. That's his number. That's his email. Okay, 24-hour information line. You can pause the video, call that too. All right. Commissions are mailed on Saturdays. Upgraded commissions are mailed on Saturdays, but the $25 commissions in phase 1 are mailed daily. So those are daily commissions. And this is that backside right here. Special offer if you upgrade, you know. And it has a date right there. And you basically pick the level that you want to upgrade at, and you send your payments in to JD Marketing, your upline sponsors. All right. And yeah, that's it. If you want to upgrade, as far as upgrading, this is the letter that it was talking about right here. Sales letter. Okay. You can use this. This is optional. You can also pay by Cash App, all right? Cash App, PayPal, debit card, credit card. You can register on the website right here. This is what I was showing you in the beginning of the video, the website right there. All right, but I'll get to that in a sec. I'll bounce back, okay? And this program goes by ID numbers. That's how you're able to get credit for the sales. So that's my ID number 1244 if you're watching and you want to register. All right. Now, these are the different levels. All right. Take a good look at all of that. Like I said, I'll put the links, to the website so you can go and watch the video, because this video right here is really gonna break down everything that I'm showing you in the welcome pack. Okay. I'm just gonna breeze through it real quick. Matrix Pro Leads. I'm already a member of that. I'll put a link in the description to that. Okay, it's another offer. I'm not in this one. This is to order optional postcards by themselves, or leads by themselves, or both. So, yep, you can order them through the company. Now these come without an ID number on them, but there's a way to get your ID number on them. I'm gonna show you that technique. All right. And this is another source where you can get the postcards printed, and they'll ship right to your house. You can also use this source to have the ID number printed on them. You just pay that extra fee, or you can use, the technique I'm about to get ready to show you. And this is an optional postage stamp, offer right here that can get you free stamps. And those are the leads. So yeah, this company is about what it says it's about, right? It's about business. So this is everything that came for $50, guys. Look at that. Wow. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of Cash Building System Unlimited. Okay. I'm gonna fold this up and I'm gonna sit this to the side. I got something else I want to show you guys, because you know me, I'm always networking. Okay, I referred a few people, and I literally, guys, I had like 5 envelopes. Okay, so there's one, there's another, and there's another. This is so cool, man. I just got involved and I already made 75 bucks. So shout out to my new members that signed up. Okay, shout out to them. Remember this program, I got the postcard right here. Okay, this program is gonna pay you $25 on every sale in phase 1. Okay, it's only $50 to join. That's it, 50. You see it right there, 25, 25, $50, guys. That's nothing. That's nothing. Okay, you can upgrade if you want to. It's optional. That's where the bigger money is. Okay, position 1. Let me get my camera adjusted a little bit so I can talk to you guys. Okay. All right, so as you can see, position 1, you're gonna get $700 to $3,500 a sale on your upgrades. Okay, and all of your personals, your name's gonna be in their position too. So this program does have leverage, and you get paid anywhere from 20 to 1,000. Now, the only way you're gonna be able to get that type of money is if you upgrade to those levels. Okay. I talked to the owner yesterday about this, so I want to talk about this too. Okay, let's say you come in at level 1. If you upgrade to the next level, you're gonna get what's called an upgrade bonus of $200. Now, if you come in right off the bat, and let's say you bring in a bunch of people and they upgrade right off the bat to those bigger levels, then you're gonna get paid for that level. But if they upgrade to that next level, so for example, they come in at level 4, you're gonna get that if you're on that level. All right. If you're not, you're gonna get on whatever level you're on. But if you come in at that level, you're going to get that commission for that level. When they upgrade to the next level, you're going to get $200 until they get to the top level. All right. So I just want to be clear on that real quick. But yeah, I just got started. It's amazing. $25 per sale in phase 1. You're gonna get these postcards, okay? Let me move this out the way real quick because I want to show you guys, like, and that's what I have right here. So I got about 600 postcards and 600 free leads from these people signing up. Because remember, 2, 4, 6. So that's 600 free postcards and 600 free leads. This program, this offer, this opportunity is the real deal, guys. I wish I would have joined sooner. This opportunity's been out since, I believe, towards the end of 2020. But yeah, this is cool. This is a cool program. So literally, all you're doing is mailing postcards, okay? If you've been following me, you know that's usually what I promote. I promote these offline mail order programs because they're the easiest programs to duplicate. Anybody can mail a postcard out, all right? The system is already in place for you, okay? As you can see right there, that's the 24-hour recorded line. You know, prospects get these postcards, these leads that you're mailing it to. These are people that want to make more money from home. So it's not like you're just mailing it to just anybody, right? And, you know, like I was showing you on the back side of the postcard right here, they're going to read over this information and they can sign up. They can get registered. Now, the cool thing about the postcard, they can sign right up on the website if they're in a hurry. They can mail the postcard in with the $50. The address is right there. Or you can pay through Cash App. You can pay the $50, okay? The owner, his number's right there, Jay Dagan. And you can get started in this program. It's only $50. But like I said, this is just a quick unboxing just to show you guys everything is everything. This is what came, okay? This is what came. Hold on a sec. This is what came. All right. This is how it'll look for you too. Nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. All right. When you get your commissions, this is how it'll look for you. Nothing to hide. Everything's real. It shows you who signed up. Yeah. And it's on like that. So this is Cash Building System Unlimited, guys. All right. Make sure that you bookmark this website. All right. I showed this in the beginning of the video, Cash Building System Unlimited. Make sure that you bookmark that website and you scroll to this video. Play this video right here. This is going to be a quick little breakdown. Okay. And then after you watch that video, watch it as many times as you need to so you can understand. You're going to click on this button to get started. Okay. If you prefer to, you know, get registered online. And all you got to do is just follow these steps. It's so simple. This is the process that I used, okay? My ID number is 1244. All right. See right here on my postcard, 1244. See that? 1244. That's my ID number. So you just put that in, put your info in, put your mailing address. Got to be your real address. You want to make real money because this kid is going to come to you. And then you click submit. That's going to take you to PayPal. Submit your payment with your debit or credit card. And then you're in. And it's that simple. And then what's going to happen is when you look up in a few days, okay, depending on where you are in the United States, you're going to have this welcome kit. And it's going to have all of the information that I went over in this video, okay? You're going to have your free postcard. You're going to have your free leads. The only other thing you're going to have to do is get postcard stamps, okay? And then you just mail your postcards off. It's just a no-brainer. Now, last but not least, before I wrap the video up, okay, this is the front side of the postcard, as you can see. I have what's called a rubber stamp. I got this off of Amazon, and this cost me about 15 bucks. Well worth it though. See that XL mark? Got my ID number. It's in red. Amazon. And you can get one of these for 15 bucks. That way you can stamp your ID number right there versus taking a marker and writing it in, okay? So that's a cool little technique. Optional, Matrix Pro Leads provides BizOp buyer leads that you can use with this program too. I highly recommend switching up lead sources, okay? This company provides the leads, but you can switch up lead sources, okay? And that's the little label right there. If you do join that program, I can get you these custom labels. See that? Matrix Pro Leads, get quality BizOp leads, go to the website, and you will have your own website for Matrix Pro. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. And that way, when you send this postcard out to the prospects, you're marketing not only Cash Building System Unlimited, but you're marketing Matrix Pro at the same time. So that's what you want, you know. You want to get this in front of BizOp buyers, people that have a habit of spending money, guys. All right, and then that's when the magic happens. Just like you see right here, payment proof. So I'm excited. I'm gonna sign off, okay? I don't want the video to be too long and drawn out, but shout out to all of the new people that signed up, okay? And make sure that you bookmark this website right here, cashbuildingsystemunlimited.com. Let me go back. Yeah, make sure you bookmark this. Let me get this out the way because it does this. It's like a little pop-up thing that pops up. But there you go again. Make sure you bookmark that website, watch that video. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. All right, be serious, be money motivated. Remember, I'm not really trying to sell you on this too much because this program is just $50, guys. It's just a no-brainer. Like, I mean, sign up. You know, it's just like that. You know, just sign up. Okay, it's solid. Okay, but I'm gonna sign off, guys. If you want to get some money in your mailbox, okay, if you can mail out these postcards, if you look, it tells you exactly what you got to do. If you can mail postcards, you could easily generate some serious cash from home. Can you do that? If so, be in touch with me. All right, I'll help you. I'll give you all of the sources that I use. Okay, all of the tips, tricks, suggestions, so you can make money. Look, you know, I made 75 bucks. I know it's not a ton of money yet, but this can be you too. And this is a low-end postcard program. But at the same time, it's a high-end program too, because when you get to that phase 2, you can make those bigger commissions, okay? So if that sounds like something you want to get involved with, definitely be in touch with me, okay? If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. Follow the links in the description box of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right, so this Dee J signing off for Cash Building System Unlimited, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out.